Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to check out how to find the Bright knowledge base and FAQs. Do you need quick answers without contacting support? Here's how to access Bright's knowledge base and FAQ sections right from the app. First, open the Bright app and log into your accounts. Once you're in, tap your profile icon. There, go to help and support and then tap on browse help topics or knowledge base. You're going to see a library of categorized topics like account setup, payment and transfers, budgeting tools, as well as loans and credit. You also have security and troubleshooting. Tap on any topic to expand to detailed answers, how-to guides, and step-by-step solutions. If you're looking for something specific, you can just use the search bar at the top. Just type a keyword like refund or pin or notifications. The knowledge base is always updated with the latest solutions, tips, and tutorials. No wait time, no tickets needed. This is perfect for fast self-service help anytime you need it. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more Bright tips and tools right at your fingertips. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.